QuickBooks Financial Tool Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to QuickBooks are in the description, so check them out if you're interested. Now, let's get right into it. QuickBooks is one of the most popular accounting tools for small businesses, freelancers, and accountants. It offers a comprehensive suite of features to help users manage their finances, including expense tracking, invoicing, payroll, tax calculations, and financial reporting. One of QuickBooks' most powerful features is its integration with over 650 third-party apps, which allows for seamless synchronization with banks, credit cards, and payment platforms like PayPal and Stripe. This ensures real-time transaction tracking and automatic categorization of expenses. Additionally, QuickBooks allows users to generate detailed financial reports like profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow reports, which are crucial for understanding your business's financial health. The platform also offers automated payroll services, making it an excellent tool for businesses that need to manage employee salaries and taxes. QuickBooks is best suited for small to medium-sized businesses and freelancers who need robust accounting features. It's perfect for businesses that require detailed financial reporting, tax filing support, and payroll management all in one platform. QuickBooks offers several plans with varying features, so you can choose one based on your business's specific needs. The online version is cloud-based, meaning you can access your financial data anywhere, making it convenient for business owners on the go. Now, let's discuss the strengths. QuickBooks is highly praised for its user-friendly interface and ease of use, even for those without a background in accounting. Its comprehensive feature set allows businesses to handle everything from basic bookkeeping to advanced financial reporting. The ability to track invoices and automatically calculate taxes simplifies accounting significantly. QuickBooks also offers excellent customer support with phone, chat, and online resources. However, there are a few weaknesses. QuickBooks can be expensive, especially for small businesses or freelancers on a tight budget, with higher tier plans costing more per month. Some users have reported issues with syncing data, and while the system is powerful, the learning curve can be steep for new users. The mobile app is functional, but it doesn't offer the full set of features available on the desktop version. Final verdict. QuickBooks is an excellent choice for small businesses and freelancers who need a reliable, all-in-one accounting solution. While it may be on the pricier side, the range of features and ease of use makes it worth considering. If you're looking for a complete financial management tool, QuickBooks is hard to beat. Check the links in the description for more details.